And welcome back, guys. We're gonna see how to add, save, and load system in our game. First thing I'm going to do is to create a new folder, which is going to be called save. I'm going to open it in there and going to create a new blueprint class of type save game. And I'm just gonna call it blueprint save. In here, we want to add a variable for our health, and I'm just gonna call it health variable. It is going to be a type float, and I'm going to leave it like that. Next thing we want to do is open our blueprint third person character. After that, well, I'm going to create a new custom event. It's going to be called track track save, let's say. And here we want to say does save game exist? And I want to create save that is going to be called save one. So I'm going to check if that save exists. If it does not, I'm going to create save game object. It is going to be blueprint save, the type we just created. Then from here, I want to say set health variable. Get it right here, and I want to get our health component. Get current health. Going to set that right there. Now I want to then do how's it called, save game to slot, save one. I'm going to move that right here, move it upwards, and then I just want to say promote to variable, and it's going to be save game O, for which is going to stand for object. So now what I want to do, if we do have that one, we want to load game from slots, save one. We want again to cast to blueprint save. So I'm going to set right over here. And then what I'm going to do is just to say, let's get this, set health, set current health right here. We're going to get health variable, and that's going to be it. We want to call that function on our begin play, which is going to be just check save. But now we want to create a function to be able to save it. So I'm going to call that save game to say custom events save. Then I want to just say does save game exist? Save one. We are going to do branch, and we want just to do it if it's true. So if it's true, we want to get this set health variable, and I'm just going to copy this right here. And now after that, I just want to say save game to slot, save game to slot, and just call it save one. We probably maybe want to have a custom function for loading. So I'm just gonna create load, and it's just gonna be does save game exist, save one branch, and now I want to get this, And then I'm just gonna do get health variable, and then I want to get this and just say set current health to that. Now let's say I'm gonna do debug key U for save. I'm going to use debug key, let's say Y for the load, and I'm gonna do debug key X. So and then I want to say delete save game in slot save one. So that's just gonna be it. So now what I want to do, I want to press X to delete this save. And now let's say I'm going to here and just save it. And now actually I should probably lose some health first, then I should load it so we can see. And when I load in back, I'm going to have same amount of health as before. That would be probably the same if I heal, press U, and I still have. Why that happened? Because I accidentally pressed Y at the same time as I saved, so I loaded it before. Now I don't want to have the one for loading, so I'm just gonna place it to like that. So I don't want to load the game on my keys. It is automatically gonna load the game with this function. But what I want to do is to go here and add trans player position, which is going to be transform. And now, before saving it, I want to go and just say save game. I can do it like that. And now I want to get save game object reference, and then I want to just set player position. And how we're going to get this is simply just get actor transform. And then right here we want just to say set actor transform, and we want to get save game object get player position, right, like that. I'm also going to copy it right here. So I'm just going to delete that. Place this right here, right there. Connect that, and just say save game object. So now, and so you can see when I save the game, I'm gonna say print game is saved. So now if I go ahead, and why did this happen is because the last time we didn't save. How am I going to stop this is just by when I want to save the game, when I want to load the game, I'm going to detach that right here. I want to delete, which is an X, and I'm gonna do that as well for you. Print deleted, and now I'm going to load it to connect that, and right here. Why did that happen is because when I try to load the character position, it was set to 000, and it will always point me on those coordinates, which are false. So the only thing I need to do is just to delete the whole save. But now if I go right here, save and I just have some questions why it does not save the game right now. So the error right here is because I put this at the end and I'm calling it before. So simple fix is just to move it all the way, to move that to be first. After that, I'm going to do it like this, and that, and then when I create it, when I exit, it should be completely good. Game is saved. If I exit and then re-enter, I'm going to be right here. Let's say I lose some health. Go ahead, right here, save the game. Re-enter, I'm gonna have the same amount of health, and I will have my character position, which is great. So that is going to be it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.